Officers in the state will get a $1,000 hazard pay.
12 News Tao Ta has more on what the governor hopes can become a model for thousands of officers. Tao?
Well, it's been a difficult and trying time for first responders all around. Now, north of 50 law enforcement officers have died from COVID-19. That's according to Public Safety Commissioner Sean Tindall. With just 5 days away from Christmas, Governor Reeves on Monday announced a $1,000 hazard pay for each sworn law enforcement officer who was employed as of November 30th of this year.
We're going to also pick up the tab for the fringe on that $1,000 in hazard pay, so that the actual $1,000 actually it's a little more than that. That's what actually gets in their pocket.
It's been a very challenging time for officers and others on the front lines. Governor, do you plan a similar tribute such as today for like the thousands of nurses and doctors, other medical professionals who have like truly borne the brunt of the pandemic?
Yeah, we've had a lot of healthcare heroes, there's no doubt about it. Those men and women who wear the uniform for the state, so that 1,700 or so that I mentioned earlier, is one piece of the heroes that have stepped up, but it's not the only piece.
And as health experts discuss the potential for another COVID surge as the Omicron variant runs rampant, Reeves said he will do what is necessary to protect Mississippians. As far as anything goes with the revised medical marijuana bill drafted during the summer.
But given the current bill, if they significantly reduce that 3.5 grams to a level that I could live with, then I could sign a bill.
Reeves also said he supports the decision to revive the initiative process. Meanwhile, Trooper Craig James says he's grateful for the extra help this time of year.
My wife has been picking up extra shifts. Maybe she can knock that back a little bit with this money.
The one-time hazard pay is funded through CARES Act funds and will be available to state law enforcement officers by the end of the year. Now, the governor adds he fully supports extending the death benefit for law enforcement officers who died from the pandemic.